What's up, guys? My name is Junior.
My name is Karina.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yes. So this is gonna be our second video, and we're already in here. We gotta do some safety stuff right now. They told us to go through this exit door right here. It seems it's something with the safety. It seems like it shouldn't be open, but I guess.
Yeah, for those who don't know, we are at Carnival Cruise. We just got in. Go watch our last video if you want to stay like to see what's going on.
Anyways, we'll see you after this thing.
Okay, so we were a little bit confused, but it was just like the safety thing to like in case of an emergency we push that door and put our life jackets on to go on the boat, you know, on the boat to rescue
the boat or the ocean, just like the Titanic.
Oh my god, no. Anyway, we went through the little security thing. Whatever.
Yeah, now we're gonna go eat something because we're very hungry. And then we'll explore the boat and we'll show you guys.
Elevators. Exactly. I'm like elevators. It's going upstairs. We're up here. We outside. We outside. Hi. Burgers and fries.
Oh, now we're putting toppings on it.
Yeah. I don't know what I want. Want some more onions? It's a lot of onions. And I guess to make it crunchy. More crunchy. And that's it.
Now we gotta find somewhere to sit.
I know.
Mira.
You do it then. Let's go.
Dale, I'll follow you.
We're gonna sit.
Wherever we can sit.
We finally found where to sit.
And I'm really hungry.
Yeah, so bon appetit.
Everybody. Yeah, entre mami.
Look at the other food. Don't put it too much overboard like that. Yeah. No, keep it inboard. Boy. Don't scare me. Don't give me a heart attack like that. Like.
Mira un pájaro.
Miami.
Mira.
Yeah, Miami.
Yeah. Miami.
Pour the water on it, it gets hotter. Yes, right? But this room is very good for you because it's gonna be removing toxins. You won't be sweating out the beers, the glasses of wine. That's to make you feel relaxed. Please don't fall asleep because we still have other areas to take you through. Have a seat and try out our lounge. We have everyone.
A massage.
Amazing. Alrighty. So good afternoon.
I think popping.
Yeah. So we're here where our stateroom is at. We're gonna see the room.
Yeah, if I could get these things up.
Yeah. We see that our luggage is still not here.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib. You know, we just got to our room. So we're gonna be taking a quick tour of our room right here, you know. Starting with our bedroom. Our bedroom is like right here. It's pretty big, so just chill, okay?
We got the shower.
Got the shower, the
bathroom. Toilet. And there's me. It's a big mirror. Yeah, this is a pretty nice sized bathroom. It's really tiny when you close the door. I'm like, it's a pretty nice size. No, it's tiny when you close the door.
So here you have to hang up clothes and stuff like that, like for our fine dining. You know,
for what?
For our
to put your clothes up there.
Yes. Here you got some drawer, blow dryer if you need it. Now here we have the mini fridge, and by mini I really mean mini. Okay.
It's tiny.
So here I'm guessing this is another bed, right?
The sofa bed.
It's a sofa bed. There's another bed up here, and then our king size bed over here.
Yep.
Okay. So
king size bed.
Yeah.
Ocean view over there. Not to clean these windows, they need to squeegee them or whatever you call them. But we got ocean view, kind of. At least we have a window.
Yeah. Are these like? Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were closed.
Nice.
They were closed when we came in here.
It's gonna be nice with the lighting.
Yeah, this is gonna be our little crib, literally. Why are you turning the lights off? It's dark, pretty dark. It's gonna get really dark. So this is gonna be literally our little crib for the next 5 days.
Okay.
We are officially moving. We're literally moving. Let me show you guys. Our first time on a cruise and seeing the boat move for the first time.
You can't really feel it unless you're looking outside of the boat.
Yeah, it feels so weird to look at the boat moving. And that boat over there is the new one called the Icon of the Sea. So see, that was the one that we did see last night. Yeah, the Icon of the Sea. Okay, we're going to dinner, and this is my outfit.
Go ahead, turn around. Wait, yeah. Hey.
Alright, your turn.
Bueno.
Are you guys ready? Look at him. Whoa. Vuelta. Whoa. Okay, let's go because we're kind of running late.
We're late though.
Okay, so we just
finished
out
eating
from the dining room. Yeah. How was it?
It was good, but we couldn't show you much because we couldn't show you guys much because we was sat down with 4 other people. So we was sharing a big table with everybody, and we didn't want to be rude. So we just left it for the end. So yeah. Overall, wasn't bad at all. Here, how was you?
It was pretty good food. And the people were pretty cool too.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the other side.
We're gonna try to go to see if we can go see a comedy show. But we'll see if we can get in or if it's still going on. We're back in the room. You can see us in the mirror.
Yeah. See, so it's nighttime. It's 10:30, right? 10:30.
It's about 10:30.
It's about 10:30. We gotta get up early tomorrow, so we're just gonna end the night.
We got a little bit of. We brought this from home.
Yes. This was my choice. Some
we got
Stella
a
Rose.
Stella Rose.
Black.
Black.
Yes.
supposed to be sweet, semi-sweet.
Semi-sweet, yes.
So we're gonna have a little cup of
Vinito.
wine to wind down, literally.
And then we're gonna get into bed.
Yeah.
So.
We have to rest because today was a little bit overwhelming. We took a nap earlier.
Yes.
But we gotta get ready for tomorrow. I don't want to be tired. I want to wake up early and tomorrow we're gonna do snorkeling. So stay tuned for that video.
Yes.
That video is coming next. So anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna drink some wine, wind down, and then
watch some TV and go to sleep.
Yes.
Tomorrow we got snorkeling, so stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for that, guys.
And yeah.
See you guys in the next video. Peace.